Hello, my name is Rupak Shah and I have helped over 6,000 people in person on how to build the reading habit, how to develop their interest in reading, and I myself have read over 300 books in a year. In this e-course, I am going to help you to build the reading habit so that you remove the guilt of not reading books. Plus, you will get all the tools and techniques so that you are able to read book a week. That accounts to 52 books a year. Isn't that exciting? In this e-course, we will give you all psychology about forming a habit, also how to be focused and concentrated while reading and not feel sleepy while reading, and also as per your personality type. Yes, as per your personality type, so that it is relevant for you and not something that you cannot connect with or find uncomfortable to apply. This course is for people who want to grow in their life and not be stuck at a particular level. If you are one of that individual, I'm sure reading habit is the best habit that will make sure that your growth is getting transformed and not just step by step. So if you are one of that, please enroll this course and I'm sure it will benefit you a lot and you will build a reading habit of reading book a week.